In the near lane, Tom Kelly's 68 Roadrunner HEMI automatic. In the far lane, Linda Jacobs' 70 Grand Sport Stage 1 automatic. Kelly wins 1325, 105.01 to 1431, 95.94. In the near lane, Harry Patterson, 70 Charger, 444 speed. In the far lane, Paul Suloff, 69 Roadrunner, HEMI automatic. Wow, what a hole shot! Suloff wins 1395, 79.50 to 1410, 97.19. In the near lane, John Cherry, 68 Charger, HEMI 4-speed. In the far lane, Rich Teresi, 70 Grand Sport, Stage 1 automatic. Cherry wins 1371, 99.55 to 1391, 98.90. In the near lane, John Cherry, 68 Charger, HEMI 4-speed. In the far lane, Tom Kelly, 68 Roadrunner, HEMI automatic. Kelly gets the win, 1315, 105.63 to 1364, 100.33 miles per hour. In the near lane, Steve Engberg, 70 Torino, 429 SCJ 4-speed. In the far lane, John Chamberlain, 70 Grand Sport, Stage 1 automatic. Chamberlain wins 1348, 99.01 to 1415, 96.87. In the near lane, Bob Karakashian, 69 Super V 6-pack automatic. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley, 70 GSX, Stage 1 automatic. Karakashian wins 1293, 104.16 to 1313, 101.92. In the near lane, Dan Jensen, 71 Pontiac T-37, 455 automatic. In the far lane, Dave Phillips, 66 Chevy, 427, 4-door, 4-speed. And apparently Phillips braked something. Jensen goes through 1325, 103.44.